Hi, I'm Dr. Renee Tucker. What is TBT? Well, TBT is the Tucker BioKinetic Technique. Biokinetic. Bio means life, and kinetic means both movement and energy. Well, let me tell you, as a veterinarian, I have been practicing for over 20 years. I have certified in chiropractic and acupuncture, and I am the founder of TBT. But what is it? Well, the thing is, it's really hard to explain. It is an energetical technique. Now, sometimes when I say energetical, people think I mean forceful, and you have to use a lot of physical energy and power. That's not it. I actually mean energy, similar to electricity. For example, in acupuncture, we know that the energy of the body runs along meridians, the chi that we call it. We know how to work with that, with acupuncture needles, but we don't actually know what it is and how it works and what it does. Not really, but we know how to work with it. Same for electricity in our own houses. Ask any electrician. They'll say, well, yeah, we can work with it. We can build skyscrapers, we can build houses, we know how to make the lights work, but no one really knows how electricity works, which I find fascinating and cool. Well, same with TBT. I don't really know how the energy of the body works, but I do know how to work with it. And that's what we do with TBT. Now, it's not just taking our energy and putting it into the horse. No, that actually kind of depletes the practitioner. So we don't want to do that. And we don't want to force anything to happen. But we do work with the energy of the body. TBT is very focused and specific about the tissue type we're targeting. And it works great. I have been doing chiropractic and acupuncture and other modalities, and I just got to a stopping point. I couldn't fix some things. I got to a point where, yeah, maybe I could fix this problem with the horse, but it kept coming back again. So I just worked and prayed and got a solution that really works for most everything. What are some things that you can do with TBT? Well, what's key about TBT is primary cause analysis. For example, let's talk about suspensory injuries. Super common, way too common. I hate all of them. Horses should not be suffering with this. The suspensory ligament is breaking down, okay? Yes, it needs help, whatever treatment, that's fine. But why? It's not just overuse, I promise you that. The key is, why is the suspensory ligament breaking down in the first place? What we do is a TBT analysis. Generally speaking, it's the shoulder, accessory carpal bone, and the sesamoids. These three things are generally not working in their normal range of motion, and they're restricting the suspensory ligament, and it's giving out. Very simple. But if everything was moving properly in the stay apparatus, it would never happen. Seriously, I fix this all the time. Okay, that's kind of the key. We're looking for the underlying reasons of what's happening to fix the primary cause, not just the symptom. Another fantastic use for TBT, hock problems. What's the primary cause of hock problems? Well, it varies. It depends on the horse. But I promise you, it's not just overuse. What we do in TBT is a primary cause analysis. We look at the hips, the sacroiliacs, the sacrum, the lumbar. We try to find out what is not working in the whole body that's making the hocks overused in the first place, because they're not being used properly in order for just the hocks to have a problem. TBT is designed to get to the primary cause of the problem, so we're treating the underlying root, not just the symptom that just happens to be screaming at that moment. Certainly we need to treat the painful part, but why is it painful? That is key. With TBT, we find the primary cause and treat that. It does use energy. We just use our hands. It does not bother the practitioner. They don't get tired, and the horse is very comfortable the whole time. If you're a person that's familiar with any type of energy work, TBT will be pretty easy for you to pick up. If you're not familiar with energy work, I understand where you're coming from. I thought energy work was all woo-woo quackery, and I never thought I'd be standing here telling you about energy work. If you would have told me when I was in vet school that I'd be doing this, I would have said, you're crazy, because that's nutso. Seriously. But I had to find the solutions. I had to find what would work for our horses. And so that's where I'm at now. TBT works fantastic. I hope you'll consider TBT University if you're interested, and if you're looking for help, please try to find a TBT practitioner near you.